Listen carefully before the new in your hands.